Everyone, welcome back. In Forex trading, we have the technical analysis, we have the fundamental analysis, and we have the sentiment analysis. Now, I want to talk to you about technical indicators and how you can use them to trade in Forex. Technical indicators are essential tools in the trader's toolkit, helping to analyze price data, identify trends, and make more informed trading decisions. For beginners like you and anyone, the abundance of available indicators can be overwhelming. This video, I am going to show you and focus on the top 5 technical indicators that every novice trader should learn first to build a solid foundation in market analysis. Number 1 is moving averages. Moving averages smooth out price data to reveal the underlying trend decision by calculating the average price over a specified number of periods. Now, we have this simple moving average. This calculates the overall price equally over the chosen period. Now, we also have the exponential moving average. This gives more weight to recent prices, responding faster to recent price changes. Identify trend direction. That's the uses of the moving averages. Help you to identify trend direction, dynamic support resistance, and potential crossover signals, e.g. 50-day SMA crossover, crossing 200-day SMA, and many more. Now, apart from the moving average, we also have what is referred to as relative strength index, RSI. RSI is a momentum oscillator. If you go to all these things, you can find them straight ahead in your Forex technical toolkit. So you click on it, and then it shows you click on it, and then it will come up on your chart. When it comes to your chart, I am telling you how you can use it. So the relative strength index RSI is a momentum oscillator. It measures the speed and change of price movement oscillating between 0 and 100. Now, here are the key levels of the RSI. Above 70 indicates overbought conditions. Below 30 suggests oversold condition. How then do you use this RSI? It helps to identify potential reversal points, momentum, strength, and divergences between price and RSI. I've told you about the newsfeed Forex trading strategy. I like it. In fact, I've done video about it like 4 years ago. It's on this channel, newsfeed, news, FADE, newsfeed Forex trading strategy is on this inside of this playlist on Forex trading. Now, when there's a news, usually the price will either go up or go down depending on the type of news and what the news figures are. When these news have gone, there's a news feed. Now, RSI is telling you that it can help you to know when something is overbought or when it is oversold. I've also taught you about support and resistance. When the news comes out and the market goes up, it's going to fade. It's going to come down. It's going to continue to go up. In Yoruba, they say "Lala toroke ile lombo." It means anything that goes up must come down. It's in the law of gravity. If I take this 3-in-1 drink, Cadbury is not advertising me. You didn't pay me for advert, so you should come and pay me for advert. If I take it and I throw it up, it's going to come down. So if the news comes out and the price goes up, the price is not going to continue to go up and get to heaven and go up and go anywhere. No, we're going to go to the sky. It will still come down. So a news have come out, the price have gone up, and it's at the resistance level. RSI is saying that, wow, it is getting to 90. Above 70 is overbought. So that tells me clearly that the price is coming down. For instance, I don't use RSI again because I know it. The thing has entered. I can view the ones I see the price has gone to resistance. I know it has gone up. I know how it goes up because I've been trading for some time. So it's used to identify potential reversal point. It's a potential. It's not that every time it goes, you just reverse. The moment you just hit it, you just reverse. No. But like 70 to 80% of the time, it will reverse. So now let's talk about moving average, convergence, divergence. This is another one that I learned when I started trading Forex in 2011. Moving average, convergence, and divergence, called MACD. What is MACD? MACD is a trend following momentum indicator that shows the relationship between two EMAs, usually 12-day and 26-day, and a 9-day signal line. So you have 12, 26, and 9. It provides crossover signals indicating potential buy or sell points. It helps identify trend strength and reversals. It includes a histogram displaying momentum changes. Now, let's move on to the Bollinger Band. I'm sorry that I'm not showing you the picture of this. I'm just describing it. You can check for the picture online. As I'm describing it, you have done. You're seeing how I'm explaining. Go and check for the picture online, and then you can see it and see what I'm saying. You see, sometimes when you use pictures from the net, they will come and be penalizing your channel. I don't want that. So that's why I am here. I'm the one giving the content, and then I'm still going to draw some chart later showing you all those things and many other things that I've talked about on this channel. But I'm using my hand to do some of them also, to indicate and to show some of them, because I know anyone coming to learn also will have. I'm not the only one you want to learn from, and I don't want to learn from only me. I'm not selfish. Also check charts. As I'm talking about moving averages, open it in the, or go to Google, type in MACD, moving averages, convergence, divergence, type it in Google, and then click on images. It will show you all the images. So you, as you're seeing what I'm saying, it will be showing you there. Now, let's go to number 4 technical indicator, which is Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band consists of a middle moving average line and 2 outer bands, set usually 2 standard deviations away. How do we use Bollinger Bands? You see, Bollinger Band, just as I've described, there are 3 lines. There are 3 lines like that. It's going. In fact, I like the way this cord is bending. You will see at some point it opens more. At this point, that means the price have gone far. You can see it's expanding. When it expands, it means the price have really gone, is overbought or oversold. If you go and check the RSI, you see that it's in the 30, below 30 or above 70, if it's uptrend or downtrend. Now, if it's going up or coming down. Now, if this is like this, it shows that the price is just ranging. It's ranging. So, and when it's ranging for some time, continue like that, after some time, there will be a breakout. It can break out to the uptrend, to the upper side, or break down to the downside. So that is some of the things that this Bollinger Band help you to realize. Some people say that when the price, all these things are common sense. That's why price is very simple. If you know what you're doing, if you're not in there to just make money as if you're playing lottery, you really want to be patient with it. Now, if the price is on this side, this is the upper side, and the price is shooting up on the upper side and going like that, on the upper side. Common sense said it now. I said anything that goes up will come down. Then the next thing after it has gone is on the upper side for some time. What will it do? It will come to the middle or to the lower side eventually. Or if the price is on the lower side and it's not here and it's on the lower side and it's wide and it's on this lower side, after some time it's on this side. The price is here, not here, and it's wide. After some time, it cannot continue here like that. It will turn back and go to and move to the middle or to the other side. So all these things, that's part of the things that Bollinger Band help you to do. It helps you to know how the price is doing. So people say when it is in the middle, this is what it is. When it is here, this is what it is. When it is here, from experience, when you start trading, you start seeing what it is doing. Now, how do you use Bollinger Band? It measures market volatility. Volatility means how market is shaking. Shaking means, it's buying or it's selling. That is volatile. It also helps band contrast during low volatility. When there's no buying and selling like too much, the band will compress. When there's high buying and selling, the Bollinger Band will expand. Either is buying or is selling. Then it expands during high volatility. So these are some of the things that it is doing in the market. Prices near the upper band indicate potential overbought, while prices near the lower band suggest oversold condition. This thing is, Forex is very sweet. It's very sweet. That's why I've taken it upon me to come and teach it. So that as I'm teaching it me too, the thing is entering me again afresh. Bollinger Band is useful for spotting breakout opportunities. Breakout opportunities. So now let's look at support and resistance levels in Forex. I've spoken about this before. Resistance and support and resistance. You see, all these things I'm talking about, all you need is 1, 2, 3. But you need to know all first. It's like learning 1, 2, 3, 1 to 100. Remember, all the words in English, all the figures, the numbers, they are just 1 to 100. So anything we do after that is still using the 1 to 100. It's like the alphabet. It's just A to Z. Anything we do after that is still within the A to Z. Now, I can spell math without looking at anything, because over the year, but when I started 80, I even to call A to Z. They were teaching us. When you get to L, M, N, it's tough. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Then is it L, M, or N, or O, or, the thing will mix up. Then later on we pass that phase. In fact, wake us up from the sleep, we'll just be telling you the ABCD. Then later on we pass that phase, then we come to AT, art, IT, eat. Then later on, now come to put H in front, eat. Put H in front of art, heart. So later, gradually put M in front of art. It's called math. And many other things. Put, anything you want to spell now. I've known a lot of it. So this is one way we are looking at. Now, all these things we are learning, you just learn it. Please, I'm begging you, just learn it. Small. Master this one, master this one. You will use it later. Now, you're not learning ABCD again. Now you're not learning IT again. I'm just talking and moving on different languages and different things. So that is how it is too in Forex. Many people just want to come from day one. Just let me go and start making money. No, learn first. Go through the school first. Then settle down and know that Forex is not a gamble and it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you put a particular amount, you can target 1% per day. If you're targeting 1% of your account per day, in 30 days, you're going to make more than 30%, sir. In market run for 20 days, in the month you make 20. And that is average of what I make from my little capital I have. And if you want me to manage your account for you, contact me, let's talk. But there's a minimum and there's a sharing formula and there's everything. So contact me, let's talk, and let's see how it goes. Now, back to number 5, support and resistance levels. These are not traditional indicators, but they are critical price levels where the market historically reacts. Support being the price floor, and resistance being the price ceiling. So support is the price floor. These are not real indicators on their own, but price have come here, it went back, come here, it went back, come to this line, it went back. So this line is a support. Price have come to this line, it's dropped back, dropped to this line, up, it dropped back. This is resistance, price is resisting here and is supporting here. So trading is taking place in between. Sometimes towards here, it will go back towards here or be in the middle. But it has been testing here, it has not gone up or down. Or it went up and came down. You will just see the line there. You draw it. You can draw it with some tools in your chart, or you can. For now, I don't draw. I just look at it and I see where the price have been dancing, and I know what to do. So these are support and resistance levels are not traditional indicators, but they are critical price levels where the market historically reacts. Support being the price floor and resistance being the price ceiling. It helps define entry and exit points. It is used in conjunction with indicators for further trading signals. Now, in conclusion, mastering these 5 indicators gives beginner traders a strong analytical base. And the 5 indicators again are: number 1, moving averages, relative strength index, RSI, then we have MACD, then you have Bollinger Band, then we have support and resistance. These tools, when combined thoughtfully and tested thoroughly, enhances trading confidence and improve decision making for beginners navigating the market. It's not only for beginners, though, even for experienced traders that are trading. With this, if you follow this, you are going to be glad with it. The next video I'm going to be introducing you to on how to use Fibonacci retracement in Forex trading. How to use Fibonacci retracement in Forex trading is the next thing I'm going to be talking to you about. This channel is referred to as Dr. Olubingade YouTube channel, and I'm that Dr. Olubingade. I teach you how to make money online and offline on this channel because poverty is not good. Many people are poor, and I've seen that even people that are working, they are struggling every time. Some people are doing boats, some people are going into farming, and then many other things they are doing. Many other businesses buying and selling. Some are going to buying car, slaughter it and share to people. All these are good, but Forex is another good one. You don't need to shout, you don't need to do anything, and you place your trade, and then you just look at your phone, place your trade, and then you move on. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share link of this video with family and friends, and keep coming back for more. I also do account management if you're interested. Then send me a DM, and then we can talk about the terms and conditions. Until I come your way in the next one, where I'll talk to you about how to use Fibonacci retracement in Forex trading. Go ahead and watch this video that is coming up from my channel. Now, before I go, I want to talk about channel membership. Channel membership has a lot of benefit in that you buy me a coffee, and if you want to buy me a coffee, just look below around the title of this video. Below this video, you will see where it is written join. So when you click it, you will see different options. The option 1, option 2, option 3. You pay a token, maybe 1,500 naira, that's less than about $1 or thereabout. Those of you in USA, Canada, Australia, Germany, please buy me a coffee now, or even do more. Go and click on join. All these Nigerians there are here. Go and click on join to encourage me to do this thing more. You know, when you also do see these things coming every day 5 p.m. I'm here. This Forex trading I'm teaching here for free. Some people have a training school where they teach how people how to trade Forex. And if you too want to have a training school, just go through my videos and jot down and gather people together and start teaching them every day. Or every one today you teach them this, tomorrow you teach them this, tomorrow you teach them this. Before you know it, you've taught them. So maybe 5 videos I did in 5 days, you can compress it and digest it and then teach them in 1 day or 2 days. Then the following week again, the following week. So in 4 weeks, they will become champions in on how to do it. In the next few days, we're going to go into the chat and we're going to be seeing it live and direct as it is. But for now, let's learn all this. And so buy me a coffee and I'll be glad with you. Lara Laoye have been buying me coffee every month for some time now. And you can see I'm mentioning her name. All these videos, I'm doing them together now on this Saturday. I'm going to upload them today. Lara Laoye will see them first. Then on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you will be seeing them. There are some videos I made also that only Laoye or people that join my membership can see. Other people cannot see it. I want you to be able to see my videos too. So join my membership and come along. Let us make these things happen together. Until I come your way in the next one, please keep on keeping on. I'm going to see you in the next one, and I love you. Thank you, Lara Laoye and everyone. Special shout out to Lara Laoye. This is one of the benefits of channel membership. Thank you very much. I appreciate you.